Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here x plus 1 over x bracket power 3 plus x plus 1 over x, this is equals to 30. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x where x belongs to real number. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here x plus 1 over x whole cube plus x plus 1 over x, this is equals to 30. Look carefully, here x plus 1 over x and here x plus 1 over x. So we will substitute x plus 1 over x, this is equals to m. Then m power 3 plus m, and this is equals to 30. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then m power 3 plus m minus 30, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have cubic equation which is m cube plus m minus 30, and this is equals to 0. So first we will make factor of this cubic equation. M cube plus m minus 30 is same as 27 plus 3, and this is equals to 0. M cube plus m minus 27 is 3 power 3 plus 3, and this is equals to 0. M cube plus m, this minus is multiplied by inside the bracket, then this is minus 3 power 3 minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Now m power 3 and then write minus 3 power 3 plus m minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully here, this is difference between two cubes, and we know that a cube minus b cube, this is equals to a minus b is multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. If we apply this rule here, then you can say m minus 3 is multiplied by m square plus 3m plus 9 plus m minus 3, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side here m minus 3 is common. Look carefully here, m minus 3 and here m minus 3. If we take common m minus 3, then you will get m square plus 3m plus 9 plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Now here we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If this expression is a and this expression is b, then in left hand side if we apply this expression, then you can say m minus 3 this is equals to 0 or m square plus 3m plus 9 plus 1 is 10, and this is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to 3. And look carefully, here we have quadratic equation. So here first we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation, because here we will talk about only real solutions. Value of a is coefficient of m square, which is 1. Value of b is coefficient of m, which is 3, and constant term is known as c, this is 10. Now formula of discriminant is b square minus 4 times ac. This is d. D stands for discriminant. D is equals to, b is replaced by 3 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is 10. Then 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 10 is 40, and this is equals to minus 31. Here discriminant of this quadratic is minus 31, which is less than 0. It means no real roots. No real roots. Here value of m is equals to 3. M is equals to 3. And we know that m is x plus 1 over x. So this m is replaced by x plus 1 over x, and this is equals to 3. Look carefully. Denominator part in left hand side, here x is present in denominator, so it means x cannot be equals to 0. So multiplied both side x, and in right hand side is also multiplied by x. In left hand side this x is multiplied by inside the bracket, then this is x square plus x times 1 over x is 1, and this is equals to 3 times x. If we take all the expressions in same side, x square minus 3x plus 1, and this is equals to 0. This quadratic equation is not factorizable. Here we will apply quadratic formula for finding the value of x. Here value of a is coefficient of x square, which is 1. Value of b is coefficient of x, which is minus 3, and constant term is c, which is 1. Now we know that quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Then here x is equals to minus value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of value of b is minus 3 bracket power 2 minus 4, value of a is 1 and value of c is 1, and divide by 2 times value of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus is multiplied by this minus 3, then you will get plus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 1 is 4, and divide by 2. Then x is equals to 3 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Here we have two real solutions. First solution, let's say x1, this is equals to 3 plus square root of 5 over 2, and second solution x2, this is equals to 3 minus square root of 5 over 2.